Okay, let's do this. Reality check in Costa Rica. What you can see on internet. Nice photos, nice videos on the YouTube, Airbnb, all those hype photos, and what the reality is when you are here, when you walk around, when you see apartment, when you see the condo, when you see the car, when you see the place, where you see the beach, when you see the waves, when you see the food, when you see the people. It's kind of like insider stuff. That's what the reality check is, and help you to find out what is the best place for you to stay here during your vacation, or if you are not certain about maybe which hotel to take, this one or that one, because in the pictures there's a lot of reviews about this and a lot of reviews about that, both of them are similar, kind of like things like those. So that's where the reality check is. I just want to give you kind of like, as I always try to do, the reality check and how it feels. In reality checkup, we're gonna do all sorts of different short videos explaining, and it's more like documentation, maybe, because I never have been in Costa Rica before. I have no friends here. I just relocated here with my family, and we got. Okay, the ocean view and your private yard there. Let me go out there right now to show you. So this is the porch here. Okay. Here's the fan and the hammock. And this is the territory here. Okay. And you got nice ocean views. And yeah, so you can make a barbecue here. Whatever. My first video will gonna be about what my rental place was advertised on internet, and how my rental place is in reality. So that's pretty interesting difference. I think sometimes people, they get disappointed when they see on the internet all those nice pictures, and when they come into the place they say, well, what the heck is this? This was on the picture, it looks totally different. So I think those videos can be helpful for you and save you some money, save you some time and frustration if you are traveling to Costa Rica, and specifically into my area where I'm located. This is the Playas del Coco and Ocotal area in Guanacaste part of the Costa Rica. So if you have any questions about Guanacaste region, or specifically about Playas del Coco, where to stay, where to eat, what the beach is there, what the people are there, what the streets are there, do I need a car, what shoes to get and what shirts to get and stuff like this. This is the reality check. Those was the hot topic questions for myself. Back in Canada and moved over here in Costa Rica without really knowing what to expect, just relaying our decisions back over there in Canada on the internet, over exaggerated pictures on YouTubers' videos and stuff like this, which is not always the real case at the place. So let me help you with the reality check. I would be glad to talk to you and see if I can be helpful to you. See you on the next video.